What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, this is a little bit of a different video. This is almost like a market update on why the condo market sucks so bad. Lately, I've been hearing everything about how horrible the condo market is, and today I'm gonna break down what's going on out there and whether it's a good time to invest or be wary. Everybody is talking about how bad the condo market is, and it is all relative. I think it's kind of funny because people in Toronto have been so spoiled over the last 3-4 years with such an extreme seller's market where everything went crazy over ask and had multiple offers, and now it's simply just a normal balanced market. So to give you some sort of perspective here, us real estate agents use what we call months of inventory to monitor where the market is in terms of whether it's a seller's market, a balanced market, or a buyer's market. Basically what months of inventory means is, let's say we stopped all new listings starting today. How long would it take the market selling at the current pace that it's selling at to buy up all the existing listings, okay? So if it would take the market anywhere less than 2 or 3 months to buy up all the listings before we run out of inventory, that is considered a seller's market. That means the seller has more control, they've got more leverage, they're getting multiple offers, selling maybe for over ask in some cases. If it takes anywhere from 3 to 6 months to clear up all that inventory, we call this a balanced market. This is kind of normal. If it's a good property, it might get 2 or 3 offers and sell a little bit over ask. If it's a normal property, it might sit on the market for a week or 2. And if it's a bad property or poorly priced, it will sit on the market for forever or potentially not even sell. And then we have 6+ months of inventory, and we call this a buyer's market. These can get really ugly, where we are seeing tons of inventory. Most homes aren't selling unless they are priced at a steal, and it is just a race to the bottom. So where does Toronto's condo market land on this spectrum of months of inventory? And funny enough, for September 2020, it actually was at 3 months of inventory, which I would say is right on the transitional phase from a seller's market to a balanced market. But it's all relative, you know? People are freaking out, acting like the sky is falling, because for years we were under 2 months, sometimes under 1 month of inventory. That's how hot the market has been. So right now it feels a lot worse than it actually is. So why is the condo market struggling while the housing market continues to grow at unseen rates? And that's for a couple of reasons. The condo market is much more influenced by investors, and with the current pandemic going on, we've lost the main source of our rental demand, that being foreign students and immigration. So until the borders are closed, we have literally choked off our supply of renters. That, coupled with the fact that there's literally thousands of units in terms of new developments finishing up this year, and the fact that our short-term rental market has been absolutely crushed by the pandemic and local legislation, which brought on about 7,000 units to the resale or long-term rental market downtown, it has created a higher than normal inventory. Of course, as inventory goes up, rents start to drop, and so do the prices. It's literally like the perfect storm, just everything aligned for this to happen, and it actually shows how resilient the Toronto real estate market is, because with all these crazy factors getting thrown at it, we're still at 3 months of inventory and prices are still healthy. They haven't plummeted. They might be down 5% in some cases. Some condos are still up year over year. So this perfect storm still can't shake Toronto's condo market. So what does that mean for you moving forward? I am gonna reference the great one himself, Mr. Warren Buffett, who said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." And right now, some people are fearful. And if you're in a position to buy a condo, now could be an opportune time. You may be able to get a great condo for a fair price, which is more than a lot of people have been able to say in the last few years, who had to compete against 10 other offers and pay over top dollar to get that condo. I'm super curious to hear your guys' thoughts. Go ahead, hit me up in the comment section below if you're looking to get into the condo market. Send me an email. My email is in the description. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.